Hi everyone. I know that after you completed the chapter you should know how to create a document link, but there's one additional setting that I want to show you so that your submission is correct. So obviously when you need to set your links, you're going to have to be in the edit PDF mode, and then you're going to want to use the link, add edit web or document link, and then we're going to highlight this first item here so that the PDF knows what we want. This is the setting that I want to make sure that you have. You may have come in with a visible rectangle setting. Make sure that it is invisible, because otherwise the file saves with this black border around the text and it's not really inviting to the user. It definitely shows them something's different about the text, but for this assignment, let's make sure it's invisible. And then of course you'd continue on with next, and we'll go ahead and scroll to the next page. This is company overview, set link, and now this link is ready and I can move on to the next one. Keep in mind, I'm going to go ahead and close now so you can see the difference. There is no box, but if I go back to edit PDF, notice that I'm still getting outlines on these items, okay? It'll show in this particular mode. So if I do this, right, you'll still see the box, but there is no current link to these items, even though they're outlined. They're just outlined because they're text when we're in the edit PDF mode. But if I go here, notice that my mouse turns to a pointer that allows me then to move to that page. So again, just to revisit, make sure that you do not have outlines on these items once you've set your document links and ready to submit today. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.